if you're anything like me, you're noticing that your click rate is soaring through the roof. And why is that? So I want to talk about bot clicks. Oh my gosh. So they are running rampant in email marketing right now. And there are a couple cool features you can use in Klaviyo to help identify these accounts. Who are the ones that are bot clicking, who aren't, and kind of clearly start to define like, what's my actual engagement here? So bot clicks, why are they happening? So basically, inbox providers like Outlook, they want to protect their customer. They want to protect their consumer. So they are clicking links in the emails to make sure they're not phishing scams, to make sure that they're legit. They're coming from a brand that they trust. So they're clicking all the links, and that's great for that consumer, bad for us brands and email marketers, right? Because we can't see if somebody is actually engaged. So one cool thing that you can do in Klaviyo right now is if you go to the metric of somebody clicking an email, you can expand the data, and you see this new field here at the bottom, bot click equals true. This person didn't actually click the email. So we can see here that it was an abandoned cart email. You left something behind, and the inbox provider clicked the email. So with that, what can you do with that information? How can you kind of start to actually pull the threads together? So one cool thing I wanted to show you is that, and this is in beta, so hopefully this is in your account. If not, it will soon. So when you're in your email account, you're going to come over into your email settings, tracking, and then up there you can see bot clicks, exclude them from your reporting data, and you can press save. So what that does is basically if there's a click, and it can register that it was that bot click equals true, it will move that click out of your reporting, so that way at least your Klaviyo reporting is going to be somewhat accurate to that engagement. So how do you figure out and pull all of these people? So you can actually go in and create a segment. So let's call this bot clicks, for example. So you can come in and say what somebody has done, clicked an email at least once. Let's say we just want to see who did it in the last 30 days. Somebody has clicked in the last 30 days, and we want to pull out our bot clicks, and it is true. So this will give us a segment here. You can see it's kind of pre-populating on the side. So about 2,200 profiles have had a bot click in the last 30 days. So I'm kind of able to get a better sense of how much volume I'm seeing in these bot clicks. So all in all, I just want to showcase these kind of real quick things, building your segment and also turning that piece on in your tracking to help with your reporting. The bot clicks, Klaviyo is trying to address it as much as they can. So with these, hopefully we can start to get some more accurate readings on our engagement. But just wanted to film this quick video so that way you guys have the resources so you can get the best data possible. I'll see you in the next one.